Today, let us witness the manufacturing side of the 400 tons per day vertical coconut cooking machine customized by Henan Glory Company for a Philippine customer. This 400 tons per day vertical coconut cooking machine is specially designed for coconut oil extraction. It is used to adjust the moisture and temperature of coconut before pressing. It is an excellent tool for the Philippine customer to improve the efficiency of coconut oil pressing. The 400 tons per day vertical coconut cooking machine is reinforced with 8 layers of steel rings for durability. In addition, triple quality testing ensures that it can maintain stable and reliable performance, even in extreme high temperature and humidity environments. It is worth mentioning that in addition to being used in coconut oil extraction, it is also widely used in the processing of other oilseeds, such as sunflower seeds, soybeans, peanuts, etc., for edible oil mills seeking next-level productivity. Henan Doing Factory can provide you with innovative technologies that are very trustworthy. If you want to know more about the 400 tons per day vertical coconut cooking machine, please feel free to contact Henan Glory Company, who has a branch and overseas warehouse in Nigeria.